Nowadays I'm hustling outside the box. From where I was, nigga, I'm better like I pull up my socks. As a man, you gotta be wise. You gotta think wise.
We need to draw the bush. Okay, so this is the front plane. And you need to draw two circles. The first one and the second one. Go to smart dimensions. And this one should have a length of a diameter of 32. Click enter. And this one should have a diameter of 25. Click enter. Now go to features. You need to extrude it, okay, by a distance of 2.5 millimeters. Okay, like this one. Now let's go to the right plane. Now I'm going to select this and I'm going to select sketch. Click on normal. If you don't have this, just you can turn them on the tools, and you're going to click on standard views. So now this right here, so this is going to be our center. First one should have a radius of 12.5, and this one should have a diameter of 19. Okay, so let me just write here. Click on smart dimension. So this one should be 19. Should be 19. Okay, then click OK. Now let's go to features, extrude post base. Okay, and you turn it. And now this distance is going to be 24.5. And I'm going to click OK. And now we have our bush bearing. We need two, but just duplicate them when we do assembly. So now I'm going to save.